This is a page file from Manga Studio, now Clip Studio Paint. It represents one page of a comic book. You need the full software suite to view the page layers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's load it. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium CPG file inspection utility designed for broad spectrum file support. A CPG file is a page file created by Manga Studio, now Clip Studio Paint. It contains the image data, layers, and settings for a single page within a comic or manga project. CPG files are essential for preserving the intricate details and artistic elements of digital comics created within the software. CPG files are structured to efficiently store raster and vector graphics, layer information, and various drawing tool settings specific to Manga Studio. The file format allows for non-destructive editing, enabling artists to modify layers and effects without permanently altering the original image data. It is optimized for quick loading and rendering within the Manga Studio environment. The native handling utility for CPG files is Clip Studio Paint by Celsius. Windows displays only generic icons, indicating a need for specialized software. Windows displays the file plainly, but tools or documentation are needed to understand each parameter. To guarantee the file opens, right-click your CPG file and select Open With. Check for Clip Studio Paint first. If it is absent, select another program. A systematic check of installed tools is vital. If you cannot access the CPG file, no problem. Given the primary failure, we need precision. Execute these 3 specific troubleshooting moves to identify why the CPG file won't cooperate. First, identify the creator. Determine the associated program, e.g. Windows Code Page, Corel Photo Paint, that created the file. Next, use associated application. If Corel, open the main image file in Corel Photo Paint. The mask file will load automatically. Finally, open as text. If a code page file, open the CPG file in a text editor to view the character encoding information. Failures with installed programs usually stem from Font CPG being a duplicate extension used by various unrelated software creators. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When the specialized tools failed, the problem is deeper. Your best option is a universal program like FileMagick. It handles hundreds of formats and can often access content even when Windows cannot. You can download it at filemagick.com. That's all for now. I'll catch you on the next guide. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.